Hello guys, I'm Halim Kuslas to tell you in this tutorial especially how to address or especially fix the issues when any Android or a smart TV is stuck on its own logo. As we know that right now here on this especially TV, see when the switch on by remote is not a totally functional now, and when we switch on it's going to especially stuck on an Android logo. So this belongs to Android, but I don't know, maybe especially I'm the software error, and due to especially storage is a totally full. Due to that, especially it's stuck. So I was extremely tired, exhausted too. Especially I'm the repair as well as especially I'm in hell of it too as a normal. But I don't know actually. Still, it's couldn't find the solution. But finally, after hard struggle, I have to go to especially proper the key to a fix of this. So any TV, any smart TV as well as LCD or Android TV that will stuck on a C Android logo. In that condition, what you have to do? Simply you have to especially remove on of uh, power lid, and thereupon once again you have to switch on and see when the line is coming here. Then you will have option one is a source button here, up down volumes menu plus power on off. So in that condition what we have to do, difference have a difference specifically volume minus plus channel minus plus power button, as well as especially volume up down plus power button. Sometimes especially there are the various kind of the specific key. The finally I have a go in the all the specific key button for hard reset of any TV screen. Especially I will give you below the description box, but here especially for Android, what we will especially press the one is especially source key. So I will, and channel especially plus and the minus key. So just I will press this one, plus minus and especially I mean source key, and thereupon of course we will press switch on. So now I will leave it and I will keep it on here. Now see what we have done is especially here, one is especially channel minus key, channel plus key plus especially source, and thereupon of course I switched on the power key without having the, because remote was not a totally remote was not especially totally functional. That's why actually I had to do the manually of this key. So backside there will be some manual key. One is a volume up, volume down plus source plus menu plus power on off key. Generally these all are keys programmed in all smart TV as well as Android. So now finally what we will do here, up and down volumes we suppose here, see here is a sync up down volume plus, just we will have to come on the reset factory here option. So let's see, now we can by the pressing especially channel key up or down, and therefore what we have to do especially here, just we will hit the menu or input. So can I have to hit of this ones especially, see, yes. Now just you will have to press the especially on off key by pressing. Now once again we will have to elect especially yes. So I will select a space line here by up and down key. Now it's saying once again we will press the on off key, and finally let's see the solutions. Now this is a final solution for anything. So guys, any smart TV especially, now we have the rest of the everythings, and thereupon of course it will switch on because it will not stuck on the Apple logo, or sorry, on especially Android logo or any smart TV, either it is the Apple device or especially Apple TV or a smart TV or especially Redmi Mi, any kind of the especially LCD or LG TV, Samsung especially. Just by these execution you will get a proper solution at your home without any hassle, guys. So now see, it will take a resetting time, and thereupon of course it will be as a normal once again. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Finally we have the golden, we have the rest of everything. So there is no especially a storage full or sufficient, so definitely it will on. Finally, I have gotten solution now. See, guys, the boot setting is active now. Final, so I have done proper solution first. And this is all about. Thank you very much indeed, guys. Have a great time. Bye bye. If you found it especially it's knowledgeable and informative, then don't forget like and subscribe to save this content because maybe beneficial for someone who is highly specialized to have and who's extremely, especially exhausted by this kind of the problem. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.